How many strawberries are there in the bowl?
There are too many strawberries in the bowl. There are a lot of strawberries in the bowl. There are lots of strawberries in the bowl. There are some strawberries in the bowl. There are a few strawberries in the bowl. There are not many strawberries in the bowl. There are very few strawberries in the bowl. There are few strawberries in the bowl. There aren't any strawberries in the bowl. There are none.
How much honey is there in the jar?
There is too much honey in the jar. There is a lot of honey in the jar. There is lots of honey in the jar. There is some honey in the jar. There is a little honey in the jar. There is not much honey in the jar. There is very little honey in the jar. There is little honey in the jar. There isn't any honey in the jar. There is none.